Hey guys, it's Crystal. I'm back with another quick project that I did here at home. Today I am making a jewelry holder for myself. I have made this project in the past before, but I did it for my oldest daughter a long time ago. And so I wanted to update my jewelry holder using things that I already had here at home. So I'm not going to go too much in depth of the project just because I've done it before in the past. It's slightly different. Again, I'll link it above so you can see the difference. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I made my jewelry holder, please keep watching. Again, this video is not for you to go out and go buy material. This is just to inspire you guys to use what you have at home. I didn't go out and buy anything. I had everything on hand. So please stay at home and use what you have at home. If you want to see how I made my jewelry holder, please keep watching. So I asked my husband to cut me some pieces of wood that he had lying around, and I basically took the Minwax stain in dark walnut and stained both of these pieces. I then spray painted my hook hardware black because they were gold. And all I'm doing is basically measuring how far I want my hooks to be. On one of my jewelry holders I made the markings very close to each other, and on the other one I made it a little bit wider. I'm not going to give you the exact measurements because to me it's more of what your preference is. So yeah, right here I'm just measuring and marking where I will be drilling the holes. So my husband picked out the right drill bit and we added a piece of tape so that way I wouldn't drill too far into the wood. Pre-drilled holes is not mandatory, however I did not want to crack the wood just by screwing in the hooks. So that's why I went ahead and pre-drilled some holes. After I'm done drilling the holes, I'm just taking my hooks and twisting them into the holes. Here's the finished product. As you can see, I did miss some of the hooks when I painted them. So I'm just going back with regular paint and using a brush to paint the missed spots that did not get painted. To hook this jewelry hanger on the wall, I just took some Dollar Tree frames and took the little hanger piece off and glued them to the back of it with E6000. Now time to organize all my jewelry once it's hung up on the wall. For my jewelry on the left side, I went ahead and decided to put all my delicate jewelry on that side because there was more hooks and they weren't as spaced out. And then on the right side, since that holder was more spaced out, I put my chunky necklaces on that one. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more projects, hit that bell notification. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And till then, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and wash your hands. Talk to you later. Bye.